I'm David Ridley with eXp Realty. Today is another Wiregrass Wednesday. This is where we go around the Wiregrass highlighting amazing businesses or things to go visit, like the Dothan Area Botanical Gardens. Today is special because a lot of people don't even know this exists. Right on the outskirts of Dothan, Alabama, they've got a butterfly house, a pond, walking trails, so many beautiful flowers and things to see. They have events out here and so much more. And man, the community needs to take advantage of this place because kids under 15 get to come out here for free. They got a playground and so many other things to do. So come out, check it out with me. We've made it here to the building that's used for so many things. That's what's great about this place, whether it's a wedding, an event. They also have holiday events here that they get to use this event space for, and all the botanical gardens grounds. There's so much that goes on out here. That's why you got to come out, because you just don't know until you come see it for yourself in person. We're about to head in here and find William. He's the executive director. He is so passionate about what he does out here and how the communities come together. Come inside, meet him, and see around a little bit. There's also a little gift shop in here. Maybe he'll let us buy something, I don't know. We have found William, the executive director out here. We are so excited to be here today. 47 acres right here on the outskirts of Dothan. This is a special place.
Well, it really is. And you know, there's something for everybody here. And, you know, we've got trails that are easily handicap accessible. We've got things for kids to do. We've got things for families to do. It's just a great place to come and be together and enjoy the park.
Tell us some other things, your highlights you like out here and things about the garden.
Well, what I like, and I like telling people when I do tours, is that this garden is a great reflection of the community. Because this, where we're standing now, was a soybean field.
Huh.
This was a farmer's field. And so we started from nothing.
Wow.
And so when you look around and you see what's here now, and it's because of the community. People donated materials and supplies and volunteer labor. And so it has come a long way from that soybean field from 35 years ago.
Tell me that statement you made about seeing families here.
Well, we're kind of right behind the Botanical Center, and we're kind of on a hill. And I love looking across the garden at all the different walkways, and some days you'll see people everywhere.
Huh.
And they represent families who are spending time together and enjoying the garden.
Man, that's what it's about.
Yeah, absolutely.
Speaking of enjoying the garden, let's go show them around a little bit.
Good,
All right.
come on.
William, being the director out here must be fun.
Well, I've been doing this for 43 years.
Yeah.
And I enjoy this more than anything I've ever done.
Yeah.
I put in 38 years at one of our neighboring facilities.
Yeah.
And but this really is my heart is here.
Well, I'm on the board out here, so I get to watch you, and you are passionate about it. There's just so much more to do out here than people realize.
Well, you know, I worked next door for 38 years, and I didn't know what was here.
Huh.
So, you know, it's just, and I think most people in Dothan really don't know what all is here. But one of the things that makes me proud is that this is a great reflection of our community.
Yeah.
But because the community did this. We didn't have a sugar daddy. You know, it was this, where we are right now was once a soybean field.
Oh, wow.
And when we got this property, they were farming soybeans right here. So this started from scratch.
Huh.
And people and businesses in town kind of caught the vision and believed that yes, you know, this would be a good thing for our town. So people would donate materials, they donate supplies, they donate volunteer labor, and look at the
beautiful.
result.
Let's go show them around a little bit.
Sure.
Come on. All right, William, tell us about this area.
Well, this is the demonstration garden. And believe it or not, this small plot, I think there's 16 or 17 raised beds here, it has raised over 25,000 pounds of food for the food bank.
Wow, I know. I saw sweet potatoes, okra. This is so neat.
It really is, and it's a demonstration of what you can do in your own backyard. And I have to give credit to the master gardeners. They manage this area for us.
Yeah.
And it's also a hands-on area. This is where we get school kids. We let them get their hands dirty, and they get to pull carrots and dig potatoes and
I love it.
pick tomatoes and all that. So this is it's a demonstration area, but it's also an outdoor classroom.
I love it. Yeah, when my daughters and I come out here, my wife, we all come out here. Of course, we go to the butterfly house, but in the little park, walking trails. But we love doing the little bingo that you go around checking off.
Garden bingo.
Garden bingo.
Yeah.
That's cool.
But yeah, this is a great area for folks to see and enjoy.
Tomatoes right there. I better get one.
Get a sign of the do not pick.
Made it to the butterfly house. I love this place.
Well, it's one of my favorite places here at the garden too.
Look at them all. How many do you think are in here?
There's probably 400 today. And
Wow.
these are all native butterflies, meaning that they're found here.
Huh.
And they might be in your backyard.
We need one to land on us, don't we? Sometimes they do.
Well, and I'll show you in a minute how we can get a close-up look at them. But they have everything they need in here.
Huh.
They've got their host plants. Now, here's some of our host plants right here. This is where a lot of the butterflies will lay their eggs.
Huh.
And so we've got everything they need to go through all their different life cycles.
So cool.
And but yeah, it's a great hands-on teaching opportunity too.
I love it.
And you know, butterflies are pollinators,
Mhm.
and they say that about 1/3 of every bite of food we eat is the result of pollination. And now they're not the only ones that pollinate.
Yeah.
Wind and bees and bats and birds and all kinds of other things help with pollination too. But there's only a few of these in the state.
There's one on our camera guy's shirt right now. He can't see it. He's filming us. That's so cool.
So the thing about this is it's seasonal. It's not open year round.
Okay.
So we'll be closing this down at the end of October.
Okay.
But it's open 7 days a week, just like the garden. There is a small extra fee to come in here,
Yeah.
but it's worth it.
Oh yeah, it is. Look at you catching them. What is that?
Well, this is a butterfly called a malachite. And what we've done, we've taken these sponges and soaked them in sugar water.
Huh.
And sugar water simulates nectar from a flower. So he thinks he's on a flower.
Oh yeah, he does.
And he's got a long tongue, a proboscis. That's what he's sticking down into the sponge right now, drinking that sugar
They like
water.
you. They know you work out here. You're gonna be nice to them. This is so fun. All ages love it.
Well, and it's learning about nature.
Yeah.
And you know, that's what we're all about.
That's so cool. Where are you guys in from? You live in Okay,
All right,
cool.
well, welcome. Thank you. Okay, so have you been to the butterfly house before?
We have not.
All right, welcome. We feature native butterflies. That means those are butterflies you can see around this area in your backyard. There's a signboard right inside with pictures and names of the different butterflies that we have. Yeah, sometimes they get in this little room, and that's okay because I have a net that I can catch them. All right, well, you're in for a treat. All right, today I just want to ask you a few things. Just be careful where you step. Sometimes there are butterflies on the ground and they're hard to see. All right, and we just ask you not to touch the butterflies because they can get hurt pretty easily, but they're gonna land on you, and I hope that's okay because they can't hurt you or anything. They can't bite. All right, I'm gonna give you a little stick to feed the butterflies. It's a little sugar stick. Yeah, do you know what butterflies eat? They eat nectar that's in flowers. Here you go. This is for you, not for the This is for the butterflies.
Yeah, don't
All right, don't put it in your mouth or don't eat it. All right, don't touch it because you'll rub off their food. All right.
That's okay. You're gonna hold it up, and we're gonna show the butterfly.
All right, now the best way to feed the butterflies is to go up to them while they're at rest after they land, and just put it right in front of their head and gently push it towards them. And they have taste buds on their feet, so their little feet will reach out, and you can pick them up and have a look. All right, they have a really long mouth that's like a straw. It's called a proboscis, and you can watch them, and they'll poke it in there and get the food out. All right, are you ready?
Ready, sis?
Excellent.
All right.
Come on in.
Tell us about this down here.
Yeah, this is our Michelin pond. It's sponsored by Michelin. And it's a place that folks enjoy coming and just sitting and enjoying the water and seeing nature. We've got turtles in here. There are koi fish in here. And it's right next to the playground. There are families who enjoy bringing their kids to enjoy the playground.
They call it the Children's Jungle Garden. I love it.
Yeah,
My girls love playing over here.
Well, we're passing by the hydrangea garden and our Japanese maple garden, but we're headed towards our Asian garden.
Oh, nice.
And it's got some unique features. And one of the things that I like about the garden is the fact that, one, we have these handicap accessible trails, which is important if you're pushing somebody in a wheelchair or you have kids in a stroller or that kind of thing. So this makes the garden very visitor friendly. The other thing is that we're pet friendly.
Oh, that's cool.
So people can bring out their pets as long as they're on a leash, and you'd be surprised at the number of people who come out every day to walk.
Well, yeah, there's these trails, natural trails. There's all kinds of places to walk and enjoy the beauty out here.
Yeah.
It's peaceful too. This is one of my favorite spots.
You want to go in here?
I do.
Yeah.
I love this spot back here. So peaceful and quiet.
Yeah, this is a great feature of the garden. People enjoy coming out. Anytime you have water, especially falling water, it's soothing.
We're at the wedding garden area. What a neat place for events, weddings. Companies hire out here to do functions. There's little shows, also for photo shoots. It's so beautiful. There's just so much to the garden. We're in the event space. Companies rent this out, weddings. I've seen luncheons here.
Absolutely. We've had workshops, seminars. It's a great space, and it's called Ricketts Hall in honor of one of our former active board members, Tommy Ricketts.
Cool.
And it's got a great overview of the garden.
Yeah, beautiful
And
windows.
So, yeah, lots of windows and you can see out. So it's available, particularly if you're using the wedding garden and then want to have a reception up here. It's just a great space.
So cool. This is the rose garden. I love this.
Well, it takes a lot of time and energy to have a rose garden. And we're thankful to a local group, the Wiregrass Rose Society, for maintaining this for us. But this was the first garden developed here at the Botanical Gardens. And it is just a lot of work, but when it's in full bloom, it's not full bloom now, but when it's in full bloom, it'll knock your socks off.
I love it. Thanks for having us today.
Yeah, thanks.
This was so enjoyable. Again, follow along on the channel. We explore the Wiregrass, great businesses, community places to go visit, things to do, also neighborhoods, because I am a real estate agent here in the Wiregrass area out of Dothan, Alabama. And William, tell them the website that they can go to.
Go online if you want to. We would love to have you visit our website. You can get a lot of information about the garden. It's dabg.com.
Thanks for watching.